Hey y'all, so first of all, happy 2021. This is the first vlog of the year, and I just thought I'd kind of tell you what I got up to this week quickly before I get into all the footage, and kind of if you're new here at all, introduce myself and tell you what you can expect out of me for the next year. So I'm Allison, I'm 37. I work full-time in media, and I'm also working on my master's degree in school counseling. And yeah, my goal is to do a vlog every week on Sundays of just like the past week, so you can see what I got up to, and it's just a place for me to kind of like share some of my memories, to have and you know, connect with other people as well. So from me, you can expect to talk about mental health, makeup, plus size clothing, and then just what I do during the week. So for example, this week, I'm just like looking back through my footage. This week I went with one of my friends and my mom and her daughter, and my friend and I both got our ears pierced. I tell you about clothes that I wore throughout the week and where you can get them. We had a big snowstorm this week. And let's see. Oh yeah, I moved my room around, and I love the way it's set up. And then yeah, that's about what I got up to this week. And honestly, like, I didn't do much from New Year's Eve on. I just kept it really low key, and watched some TV and that such. So yeah, anyway, here is my week. I hope you enjoy. Are you nervous? I'm nervous.
I'm not well, I'm nervous.
That was outrageous. And that's ridiculous.
Make sure, use your finger. Make sure that these are straps and not like that.
Stop.
Okay, that works.
I'm so glad.
From the mouth of babes here.
Yeah.
Mom, can I get one of these?
Do you remember what we decided when we came in?
No, how does they go?
And what was
Countdown.
Okay. Just gonna line it up. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Let's get stuck. Ready? Alright,
Yeah.
so we're just gonna line it up. 3, 2, 1. Boom! And I'm gonna just clean them for you.
Thank you.
See, that one was like so much easier.
I know. You did a good job. Thank you.
Oh, let her clean.
Oh, of course. It's just a hole, right? Hi, hello everyone. Happy Monday morning. Good Monday morning to you all. I have to go back to work today. Not excited about it. I'm going to stop off at my mom's first to have some leftover breakfast casserole that we had for Christmas. So I am looking forward to that. I need to get my shoes on. I need to get myself together and get out the door. Yeah. My earrings are, my new piercings are healing up pretty nicely, I think. Can't even really tell that I got them done. I didn't know if they'd be like, you know, red or really sensitive at all, and they're really not, so I'm happy about that. I've already been ordering earrings. I should do like a jewelry collection sometime. Like, especially like I would really love to do like show you my Melinda Maria jewelry, because that's some of my favorite right now, but you see a lot of it every day because I'm wearing it all right now. All these necklaces. And then these two first holes are Melinda Maria. These little spiky hoops are just, I just adore them. So let me show you my outfit and then I'll be on my way. Okay, so here is outfit today. My favorite, this is probably my favorite purchase of this season. It's this gorgeous pink mock turtleneck from Torrid. I've worn this like 3 times already. I love it. Washes up pretty nicely too. And then I just have on some dark wash sky high skinnies from Torrid as well. I probably wouldn't, I mean, I guess I don't mind it with the dark wash jeans, but normally I wear like a mid-tone wash jean, but I need to do laundry, so that's not happening today. Well, laundry might happen later today, but yeah, that's the outfit today. We could do a quick check-in on Junebug. She is in her spot, like the little queen she is. Good morning. I love you. Do you want pets? Good morning. You little sweet pea, you. Oh, yes. I love you so much. Look at her little tail. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, I know. Look what I did. Look what I did. Good morning. I'm downtown at my office and we are supposed to get a big snowstorm today and it's starting. So here we have it. In a bit of a winter wonderland. We're supposed to get like 6 to 9 inches, something like that. I'll keep you posted throughout the day. Yeah, little update. Conditions are not great. I'm just kind of going around town picking up some lunch, and it's pretty hard to see very far, and the snow's coming down pretty quick too. So it's kind of what it looks like. I mean, it's beautiful, but yeah. 2020. Am I right? Well, anyway, I'm gonna head back to the office and eat my lunch and hopefully get a bunch of stuff done so I can go home not too late tonight. So, yeah. It's getting to the end of the workday and it's dark out. Or it's getting dark out. But I thought I'd do a quick update for you. It's close to 5 o'clock. Oh my word. Oh. Here it is. Ugh. Oh yeah. That is definitely a winter wonderland out there. Not excited. I mean, it's pretty, I'll be fine when I get home. Like, I just want to get home. Luckily we live in town, so it's not that bad, but yeah, I don't know. Hopefully we can make it up our hill. Are you ready? Really? On the vlog? Go outside, Remy.
Come on, come on.
Come on. There's my little snow bunny. Look at it. It's like, hi, Junie. Are you ready to come in? Okay.
Nope, nope.
You need to eat. That's a little baby girl. Rem, okay, good. You're both here. Okay, I'm gonna get you food. I'm gonna get your food, yes. Okay, I'm doing something. I'm either gonna love it or hate it. I'm gonna move my desk back into this corner. And I really hope it works because I wanna love it. So, here goes.
When winter hits, you have to fight back. That's why truck guys know the best defense is WeatherTech. Laser measured flow.
Okay, it's much later, and I should probably mute the TV.
Oh, I know. Friends, lovely. Bring on Chad and Brett.
Okay, I finished rearranging my room, and I think I love it. So, okay, let's see. I just moved the bed from, it was right here to over here. I brought in a different dresser. I moved my desk, which was right here, and I'm gonna go through this stuff eventually, but I got this far tonight, so I feel good about that. And I moved my desk back here, which I kind of love. I think. Yeah, I think I do. So yeah, I need to like clean this crap off and just, you know, like tidy this up over here a little bit. But I like how it looks so much. I just need to toot my own horn for a minute because I moved all this furniture myself. Yes, I did. Didn't know I was gonna do all this tonight, but I'm glad I did. And now when it's like we have vacation again for the holiday, not vacation, we have a holiday on Friday. We have the day off. I'll just be able to enjoy it. I thought I would wait to do all that then, have my mom come over and help me, but no. girlfriend did it. I'm just really pleased with myself. So, good night from me. Good night from the dogs. See you guys tomorrow. Hello, hello. I just ran out to take some photos of a thing going on in town. There were some students who were from the school who were shoveling driveways and all that stuff. So, with one of their teachers, who is a good friend of mine. And so I went out and took some photos, talked to the kids. So yeah, now I'm just grabbing some lunch. I'm about to head back to the office. It is deadline day, as every Wednesday is. So yeah, I will show you. I mean, I'm wearing something I wear all the time in the winter just because I love being comfortable, but I can show you later. So anywho, just thought I'd check in. Hope you guys are having a good day. It's beautiful here today. We did get about 7 inches of snow and the sun is shining, and I need to put on some sunglasses. So I'm gonna hop off of here and do that. Well, hello everyone, and happy New Year's Eve. It's like the end of the day, but I'll show you what I wore today. I wore my tie-dye Care Bear sweatshirt, jeans, and I wore those new boots over there. All right, y'all. There is a glimpse into my week. I just kind of wanted to close out this week with some things that I loved. Darvin and I watched Soul New Year's Eve, the Pixar movie. So good. I loved the message behind it and kind of how they left it kind of open for us, like, you know, like in finding our purpose and like just living each day, and how I loved the imagery of him catching that little leaf and just sitting there in the sun, and like, because that's living. Which leads me into my next favorite, which was I've been listening to Busy Phillips' podcast called Busy Phillips is Doing Her Best. She does it with 2 of her friends, Shantira and Casey, I think. Shoot, I should know. Anyway, I could literally, they do like, it's a long form podcast. So sometimes it's like close to 2 hours, sometimes it's a little over 2 hours. I could just literally listen, and then they okay, so the first hour or so is them kind of talking about their weeks, talking about pop culture, talking about their lives, and then the second half is them interviewing somebody. I actually have never really listened to the interviews. I could honestly just listen to them talk the whole time, because it's just like them sitting around. I mean, they're on Zoom or whatever, of course, but them just sitting around chit-chatting as friends, as people, and I love that. And she said there's a lot to unpack in her New Year's Eve episode. One was that her daughter, she shared about her daughter, and that was really moving and beautiful, and I love listening to her talk about parenting and just how much she loves her kids. The other was they talked about soul and just like living, and she had told her daughter, who had said, you know, I feel like I'm alive but I'm not really living, and her daughter is like 13, so that's pretty heavy for a 13-year-old, but it's so true, you know, like I think we can all get into that. And you know, the advice she gave her daughter was really like, this is living, and you can choose how you want to spend your time and live your life. And I just thought that was really beautiful and simple but profound. So I really loved that podcast. My battery's about to die, so I'm gonna skip one thing. And the two more things that I loved, I started reading Deep Kindness by Houston Kraft. It's a fantastic book, and it completely kind of upends how we look at kindness. So I think you should all read that. It's got a beautiful yellow cover. And then over the weekend, I watched Bridgerton, and man, oh man, that ain't your grandma's period piece, but I loved it. Loved it. I love the relationship between the Duke and Daphne, Simon and Daphne. I loved Eloise. I loved all the costuming, and the sets were so fantastical and beautiful and colorful. It's really a heightened kind of reality. It's not reality, but you know what I'm saying. And then it's quite steamy, I will admit. And the other thing I loved about it was that they used modern day pop songs for set to string, and so that was really fun, hearing different pop songs like by Maroon 5 and Taylor Swift and everything like that. So great show. I highly recommend it. Maybe don't watch it with your kids unless you really think that's, and you do you, but I'm just warning you, there is some nudity, etc. Okay, so that's what I was loving this week. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I hope you guys had a great holiday season, Christmas season, whatever it is you celebrate. I will be back again hopefully next week. Hopefully I can keep this going with all of my daily responsibilities, but I'll do my best. Okay, I love you all. I'll see you next time. Bye.